Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and hi everyone. Welcome to Cook with Hasiba. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a hotel style sambar. That's a South Indian hotel style sambar. For that, I have taken 1 cup of tur dal soaked, lemon sized tamarind pulp, vegetable of your choice. You can take any vegetable, 3 cloves of garlic, turmeric powder, 2 tablespoons sambar powder, salt, and a pinch of jaggery or sugar. For tempering, I have taken few mustard seeds, few cumin seeds, few curry leaves, half onion sliced, and a pinch of hing or asafoetida for final temper. And also I have taken half medium size onion and half medium size tomato. Now in a pressure cooker, add the soaked tur dal with some cloves of garlic, a pinch of turmeric, and some water. Close the lid and let it for 4 whistles. Once it's done, just remove the tur dal in a separate bowl. In a same cooker, I am going to add the tamarind pulp. Now de-seed the tamarind pulp well. Immediately add the vegetables. Now I am adding here drumsticks, beans and carrot. You can add any vegetable of your choice. Then add a pinch of turmeric, some salt to taste, and I am going to chop the onion and some chopped tomatoes. To this I am adding a pinch of sugar. You can also substitute it with some jaggery. Now this is the secret of hotel style sambar. You need to add some sugar or either jaggery. Now mix it well and add 400 ml of water or 300 ml of water to this. Cover the lid and give it 1 whistle. Now after a whistle, just see whether the pressure is gone or not, and then as you can see, my vegetables have been perfectly cooked. Give a gentle mix. Now the drumsticks have also been softened very beautifully. Now here I am going to add the tur dal which I boiled previously. Mix it well and add 2 tablespoons of sambar powder. I did not add any chili powder or coriander powder or any zira powder to this. I am directly adding 2 tablespoons of sambar powder. You can add any brand sambar powder. 2 tablespoons of sambar powder. Now this is the only thing I am adding instead of any spices here. Give the mix again and let it cook for a few minutes. Now until our sambar is being cooked, in another pan, take either ghee or oil. I am taking around 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil for tempering. Add the mustard and cumin seeds along with a pinch of asafoetida or hing. Now let it splutter. I am just giving a mix again. Once it splutters, add the remaining ingredients. That's the curry leaves and the sliced onion. Now if you are adding fresh curry leaves, it's well and good. In Abu Dhabi, the curry leaves gets rotten very easily. So I used to dry the curry leaves here. As you can see, our sambar is ready. I'm just adding this tempering onto it. Now the onion should be golden fry here. Once it's done, just add the tempering on top of sambar, and then your dish is ready to serve. Now dish out the sambar, and this is the final look. This is the simplest way of making hotel style sambar. Now if you are craving for sambar with dosa or idli or anything, you can just make the sambar. This procedure might look very lengthy, but it's actually very quick when you make it at home. And if you're new to my channel, then please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also share my videos to your near and dear ones.